Hello everyone. So the problem which we are going to discuss today is house robber. So given the problem, we are given an array which has integers in it, positive integers, and the problem says each array represents the value of a house, and all the houses are placed in adjacent order. And there is a robber who need to rob from these houses, and we need to find a way so that the robber can get the maximum profit by uh, robbing these houses, following a constraint that he shouldn't steal adjacent houses. If he steals any adjacent houses, then the police get alerted. So we need to not steal. We need not uh, to add adjacent house stealing in this case. So for this problem, to get the maximum profit out of those all houses, if you consider this example, the solution would be stealing the house number one and skipping the second and stealing third one. So the profit would be 4, and stealing the second house, skipping one, and stealing the last one. So 4 comma 3, and the 4 comma 3 max of 4 comma 3 it would be 4. So we will be selecting 1 and 3. So in this way normally we can find the maximum profit. So if it is of more length, then we need have more cases, so that we need to find a sub problem in this problem. So we will be using dynamic programming for this. For brute force approach, we can use recursion, but it takes order of 2 power and complexity, which could limit our time output error. So we need to figure out the way to solve this using dynamic programming. So if you see, for the houses 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1, so the main principle to solve this problem could be steal house number 1 plus steal of we need to exclude the adjacent, right? So we need to steal from 2 to n, or we need to steal house number 1 to n. So this is the main basic thing which we need to keep in mind to solve this problem. So to solve this, we need to get max of these two. So based upon, by calculating the max of these two, we need to proceed further and iterate through the DP array. So I am considering this steal of 0 as rob 1 initially. So I'm initializing it to 0, and I am considering this as rob 2. For the starting, I'm considering it as also 0. So considering both as 0 in the first case, like in the starting, I need to iterate to the other right. So for I in the given array is nums. So I need to get the max of nums of rob of 1 plus n, I comma rob of 2. So the steal of 0 is nothing but the I value which you are currently in. So I am storing the maximum value in a temporary variable. So after getting the maximum value, we need to update our rob 1 and rob 2. So now the rob 1 will become rob 2, and the rob 2 will become temp. So in this way, we are just maintaining two robs. So the rob 2 is nothing but this case, and the rob 1 is this case. So at last we will have rob 1 and rob 2, and we need to return the max of both. Yeah. So in this way, this problem can be solved. So for this, it takes time complexity of order of n and space order of, we are just using two variables, so it's order of 1. Thank you.